us feel good, but don't ever cost a thing. Feeling almighty, no throne like a place at home. Warm bed, no trouble in head, hands held to walk ahead, smiles that are widely spread. Time flies as I hide from everything that I want in life, worth every penny spent. Oh, where my heart is full. Oh, where you can always be found. I call home.
We're in the One Horn Rhino camp, just arrived, and yeah, it's a really calm, quiet, beautiful location. We're right beside actually one of the boundaries of the park. I'm not sure if you can get much closer than this, but yeah, it's a beautiful location. And really peaceful. So yeah, looking forward to staying here for the weekend.
Home, where my heart is full. Oh, where I don't feel away or cold.
An eye-opening experience, especially with regards to what we've been working for in Meghalaya and other states in the northeast through our society Green Route, and meeting people who are aligned with the same kind of work that we do. Now we know we have a bigger family, and it's going to make our work a lot easier for the rural communities of the northeast. We'd like to say thank you to the team here at One Horn Rhino and for taking care of us and opening our eyes to a much bigger picture. And the road is going to be much harder, but we are more confident that things are going to happen. Thank you, everyone.
Wondering why time can fly, no matter how long it be. Wondering why we're in paradise, no other place so happy. I see the color through their eyes, the joy of little things in life. I can't fight over the sky. The joy of little.
Nesara Orbit 2020 is an amazing platform to learn about the environment, the nature, and from different perspective. People are here we are from a diverse background, like agriculture specialists. Some are very good traveler, some are with a very vast knowledge about birds, and some are with plants and trees. So we are learning a lot here, and for the conservation of our natural resources or nature or another species, this kind of means conference, summit, or whatever we call small group meeting is very essential in Assam, India, and across the world. And I hope today's professional, if they work means full dedicatedly for the art, they can actually save our nature in a better way for our future generation. Thank you.
'Cause I need another paradise.
I am right now in Nature Orbit 2020. It's an initiative which has brought together different minds together working in their different fields. It's actually an amalgamation of thoughts where everyone is coming from different backgrounds. Where the climate crisis is deepening, initiative like this should be taken, and in coming days I look forward to Nature Orbit to take up more initiative like this so that we can educate, inform and inspire the youth who is going to save the world.
Because I need another paradise.